In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Bank of Queensland mobile app. Whether you're using an Android or an iPhone, this step-by-step guide will help you get started with ease. So let's dive right in. First things first, grab your smartphone and navigate to the App Store. If you're using an Android device, you'll want to head to the Google Play Store. For those of you on an iPhone, it's the App Store you're looking for. Both platforms have a similar process, so no worries if you're switching between them. We've got you covered either way. Now that you're in the App Store, it's time to search for the app. In the search bar, type in BOQ Mobile or Bank of Queensland Mobile Banking. You'll want to look for the official app featuring the distinctive purple BOQ logo. Make sure it's published by Bank of Queensland Limited to ensure you're downloading the genuine app, as this is crucial for your online security and a smooth banking experience. Once you've located the right app, the next step is to download it. For Android users, you'll see an install button, and iPhone users will see a get button. Tap that button, and the app will begin downloading and installing onto your device. Depending on your internet speed, this process might take a few seconds, so feel free to take a moment while it works its magic. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the BOQ Mobile App. You'll be greeted by the Bank of Queensland welcome screen. From here, you'll have the option to either log in or register. If you already have an online banking account with BOQ, go ahead and tap Log In. Enter your customer access number and password to access your account. For those who are new to the BOQ family, you'll need to tap Register instead. The app will guide you through a series of on-screen steps to set up your online banking account. Just follow the prompts, and soon you'll be ready to manage your finances on the go. Before you finish, the app might prompt you to enable some security features like Face ID, fingerprint login, or PIN access. These options provide a faster and more secure way for you to sign in. Simply choose the method you prefer and complete the setup to enhance your app security. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Bank of Queensland mobile app on your smartphone. Thanks for following along with this guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more easy step-by-step tech tutorials. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.